Okay, so I wanted to talk about two things today. One is the left-hand rhythm in such great heights, and two is a right-hand technique of sliding up to the song, which makes the song a little bit more special. So, the left-hand rhythm, let's start with that. So it's fairly relaxed, but it has a bit of a excitement to it. So I think the rhythm that I do, I'm just going to figure it out again. There it is. Right? So it's G, G major, G major, D. So it's an alternate bass rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Right? And it's a... So it's kind of legato, but at the same time the staccatos are still staccato. So it's legato. So the G is legato and the two pops are staccato. But then the D and the G major again are longer. So long, short, short, long, 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 short, short, long, long. Okay, if that makes sense. You could do another. You could just do. I just like the... I think it adds a bit more excitement. With the right hand, in this song I do a lot of slides. So instead of just... I like to do the... I think I have a lesson under advanced techniques where it's I'm using the note before it, so the F sharp, to slide up to the G. And it just gives it a little bit more character. Or when I do the walk down to... Again, I'm using the half note before it, or the note before it, to slide up to it. Instead of... You can even use two notes to slide up to it. The D, D sharp to the E. Right, just to add a bit more edge to that melody. And then obviously multi-fingered melodies. Otherwise the song is really straightforward. It's 3 chords. G to D to C. Back to G. And that's also, I guess, nice to do, right? They'll say end. To kind of breathe new life into the song after doing that. Right, that kind of rhythm. Stop. Land back into it. We might do a separate lesson about that. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.